Hello everyone. In the previous classes, we discussed our conversions of different numbering systems, right? So now in this class, we will discuss our next topic will be like how to convert the um, directly to binary to octal without the using the like decimal. So how to convert the hexadecimal to directly binary. So like this here we will discuss in this class. Okay, first here discuss one topic is binary to octal conversion. Okay, here we have the one topic is like binary to octal conversion. Okay, so here how we are converting the binary digits to octal conversion. Binary means here 2, base 2. Octal means here base 8. How can we convert without using the decimal points in the between binary to octal? Actually in the previous class already we discussed this one. So okay, so here we took the binary and we converted into 8. So here we are using the our decimal format. After the decimal format only we are converting directly into the our the process will be like again we are converting whatever we got the decimal again is converting into the our octal point, right? So without using those steps here now we need to be follow another step for this, right? So if we need to be do the binary to octal conversion directly, you have to be follow the some two steps. What we have the steps? Okay, step one. First, you divide the binary digits. Divide the binary digits. Okay, whatever you have the binary digits, suppose you have the 101, 101, 101. So you have to be divide those numbers into the three formats. Okay, so first here you have to be divide the binary digits into groups format. Into groups format. Okay, so groups means here how many numbers we have. For that you have to be divide the group format. One group, two groups, three groups. Like this you have to be divide whatever you have the binary digits. And how many groups we need? Total 3 groups we need. Divide the binary digits into groups of 3. Groups of 3 means your 3 numbers you have to be take at every time. Okay, have to be combine the three numbers. If you have only 4 numbers, first you have to be take the 3 numbers. Whatever you have the one number, you have to be left that one. Okay, so yes, everyone will get out. Okay, we are taking the 3 numbers, but we are dividing the by dividing 3 numbers, right? So here how we will be solve that one. Before 1 we have to be place the 0 0. I will show you the example. Okay, in that time you will understand. Okay, so divide the binary digits into groups of 3. It will be starts from the right side. Okay, so starts from the right side. Okay, don't use the left side, you have to be start that one into the right side. And next here we have step 2. We have this step 2. Okay, convert each group of 3 binary digits to 1. Okay, whatever you have the 3 digits, you have to be convert that into one format. You have to be convert that into one format. Convert each group of 3 binary digits to 1. Okay, whatever you have the 3 binary digits, you have to be placed that one into one format. Means here 1 digit format. 3 digits will be combining and we'll get the only 1 digit. Like that you have to be follow the our binary to octal conversions. Okay, so by using these steps too, we are performing the our divide format. Okay, right. So here I am taking the one example. 101. First example 101. and 110 base 2. Okay, 101 110 base 2, and then how much of base 8? How much of base 8? Here this is the our question. So normally in the previous class we done like first your binary is converting into decimal. After that what we got the value, by that we are deciding the our octal value. But in this we are finding the directly using directly by using binary to octal we are performing. Okay, here we have the 101 and 110. So in this step 1 we have the divide the binary digits into group of 3. So what we have here, we have the 101 and 110. So we need to be convert that into 3 format. Sorry, we need to be group into 3, right? So here I am taking 1 2 3. Yes, this is the one group. Okay, 1 2 3, this is the one group. Here nothing will be left. Okay, so yes, we have the correct. So why? Because here we took the 6 means here, yes, this is no problem. Suppose you took the 5 means here, you have to be placed here instead of 1, you have to be placed the 0. Instead of that you have to be placed the 0. Yes, this is correct only. Okay, 101 and 110 we have. So, and after the dividing of numbers, after the dividing of the group format, you have to be use the step 2. Okay, so step 2 what we have, this is the step 1. Okay, so this is the step 1. After that you have to be use the step 2. So in this step 2 what we are doing, convert each group of 3 binary digits into one format. Okay, you can convert this one into one format. Okay, so yes, if you know direct answer you can write. Means here 101 means here how much we will get. 2 power 0 and 2 power 2 means here we'll get the 5 only. Okay, so if you have more knowledge about doing like this, okay, you can place directly, no problem. But you don't have this much of knowledge means here you have to be do the process and you can place that one. So here first just take the 101 base 2. Okay, you just take the 101 base 2. For that you can find 1 into 2 power 2, 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. Okay, and next here we have 1 into 4 plus 0 plus 1 into 1. 4 plus 1 will get 5. So your 5 is the base 8. 5 is the base 8. And next what we have, 110 base 8, sorry, base 2. We have 110, right? 110, 1 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus what we have, 0. 0 into 2 power 0. 0 into 2 power 0. 1 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 0. 1 into 4 means here 4. 1 into 2 means here 2 plus 0 is nothing. We'll get the 6. 6 base 8. Now you can combine these digits. 5 and 6 means here 56. You are combining, not adding. You are just combining, not adding, right? So we'll get the 56. What is the value for the 101 110 base 2? 56 base 8. 56 base 8. So like this you have to be convert the values. Okay. So if you know the values directly you can place, no problem. If you don't know that, you have to be do like this. Okay, if you know means if you're perfect for finding the values, yes, you can directly place the value for that. If not, you have to be do all these processes, okay, to find the values, right? Okay, so this is the one example. And next here we will find this another example. Okay, second example, 1101 Okay, 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, so now you can convert this into base 8. Now you can convert this into base 8. Okay, so in this step 1 you have to be divide that into 3 digits format. You have to be group that into 3 digits format. Okay, 0 1 0, you have to be go with the right side, right? This is the one group. 0 1 0 1 0 1. This is the another group, and we left with the 1 here. We left with the 1 here. Okay, so if you left the 1 means here, yes, there is no problem. Whatever you have, instead of that your empty places, you have to be give the zeros. With the zeros, no problem. Why? Because whatever it may be, 0 only. Okay, when you are multiplying with the 0, it will be 0 only. There is no problem. So here we have the 3 groups. Okay, totally we have the 3 groups set right now. 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0. For this you have to be find the our values. Okay, if you are good at performance, directly you can write. So here I will write the directly. Okay, in this step 2, see this. In this step 2, directly we'll get here. Okay, so 0. Right here what we have 0, 2 power 0, 2 power 1. 2 power 1 means you will get the 2. 2 power 1 and 2 power 2. Right here we have the 2 power 1 and 2 power 2 we have. Right? So here 0 power 0, power 1, power 2, right? So means you will get the directly 2. And here see, power 0. Power 0 means you will get 1. And here we have 0, something 0 only. And we have the 1. 1 in 2 power 2 will get 4 plus 1. Okay, we'll get here 5. Okay, and next here directly we'll get here 1 only. Okay, so in the second step we are getting the 152 base 8. Okay, here you took the 11010110. For that octal number is the 152. Octal number is the 152 base 8. So you can if you are not good at directly performance, you can do this performance, and you can combine the words, not adding. Okay, you can't add any numbers, you can combine. Okay, after 5 you have to place the 6. Okay, after 1 5, after 5 we are placing the 2. 152 base 8. Directly you can convert, conversion will be done like this. Okay, so you can take any examples, anything, so like this only you will get. Okay, so see another example for this. Another example, here I am taking the third example will be 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 base 2. You can convert this into base 8. 1 0 0 0 1 0. You can convert this into base 8. Okay. So here also I am doing the direct performance only in the step 1 and step 2. 0 1 0 0 1 1. Okay, so here we have the 1 in. Okay, so actually we can write here 2 zeros. Okay, no problem with the placing of zeros. Why? Because you are 0 into something 0 only. If you are placing the 1, you will get the value, right? So don't place the value, you have to be use the zeros. You are 0 into something 0 only. There is no problem with that. Okay, so this is the value. We are placing 3 base 6. We are placing that into 3 ways. And step 2. Step 2, you have to be process the values further. Okay, so here 0 1 0. 0 into something 0 only. 1 into 2 power 1 means here we'll get the 2. Okay, 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0, 1 into 2 power 2 means here we'll get the 4. Okay, 2 power 0 means here we'll get the 1. Means here 0, 11000010 value is the 142 base 8. Base 8. So it is very simple, right? And next go with this. So now we discussed a binary to octal conversion. So now we will change that one. Means here we will reverse that one. Octal to binary conversion. Okay, octal to binary conversions. Octal to binary conversion. Octal to binary conversion. Octal means here we have the 8 and we can convert this into 2 format. We can convert this into 2 format. How you are converting octal to binary? So you should follow the steps format to this also. What we have the steps here? Okay, we have the steps. Step 1, octal to binary conversion. Further, we have the 2 steps. Step 1 is like convert each octal digits to a 3 binary digit format. Okay, see this. Convert whatever you have the number. Suppose you have the 2 means here, you can convert that into binary format. Binary number format. Convert each octal digit to a 3-digit binary number. Okay, you can convert each octal digit, whatever you have the number, that you can perform, that you can convert into binary number format, and means here 0 and 1 format. Okay, so your octal digits are treated as decimal numbers for these conversions. Okay, and next we have the step 2 for this. Next we have the step 2 for this. So in the step 2 you have to be combine all the resulting binary. Okay, so whatever you converted octal number to the digit format, you have to be combine those all numbers in this. Okay, combine all the resulting binary groups. Okay, so how many binary groups were out here? You have to be combined, okay, into a single, okay, into a single binary number. Into a single binary number. So whatever you are converting octal to the binary format, you have to be combine those numbers into one group of format. Okay, so let's see the one example. Definitely will understand how we are doing this process. Okay, so here I am taking the one example will be like this 562. Okay, 562 base 8 can be converted into base 2. It can be converted into base 2. Okay, so here 562 we have 562, right? 5 base 8, 6 base 8, 2 base 8, right? 5 base 8, 6 base 8, 2 base 8. 5 means here what we will get? 101 performance. Normally in the binary performance 101 means here 5. Okay, you can directly write here 101 base 2. 6 means 110. 6 means 110 base 2. 2 means 010 base 2. Okay, so this is a step 1. Whatever you have for that, you have to be give the octal digits, 3 number digit format. If you completed that one, you have to be follow this step 2. Means here by the combining the values. Okay, we have the 5, 6, 2, right? In the step 2, we are combining these values. 5, 6, 2 base 8, 1, 0, 1. Okay, so this is for 5. And 1, 1, 0, this is for 6. 0, 1, 0, this is for 2. Okay, so and you have to be right here directly. 5, 6, 2, 8, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 base 2. Okay, whatever you have the octal number, that is converted like this. That can be converted like this. Okay, and next see the another example for this. See the another example for this. What we have another example? Okay, always we are doing like this only, right? So if you are doing any fractions or anything, so that is also possible. Your fractions will be possible into this. So let's see one example for fractional point for octal to binary conversion. See how you're converting. Okay, how you're converting the fractional points. See this, how you're converting the fractional points. So here I am taking the second example will be like 234.716 base 8 equal to how much of base 2. So here I am taking the some fractional point in between the numbers. So then how you are converting this fractional octal number to the binary octal number. Okay, binary fractional octal number. Sorry, binary fractional number. Okay, let's see. Okay, step 1. First, you have to be convert this into step 1 format. 2, 3, 4, and we have 7, 1, 6. Okay, what is 2? 2 means here we'll get 0, 1, 0. Okay, 0, 1, 0. 3 means 0, 1, 1. 4 means 1, 0. 7 means already we have the 4 means here 1. Okay, 2, 1. Again means here 111 will get. And 1 we have. 1 means here 0, 0, 1. 6 means 1, 1, 0. Okay. After this, you can combine these values. Okay, right? How you are combining? 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 111, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 base 2. Okay, whatever you are doing like this, you have to be give the answer at last. So here we given 2, 3, 4 fractional 716 base 8. 100 after we are getting the fraction. 100 after we are getting the fraction. 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, after we have the fractional 111, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is the value we got right now. This is the value for the 234.716. Point means here we are doing the fractional values. We are doing the fractional values. And third one, sorry. Okay, so this is the octal to binary conversion. Next, just see this. How you are converting the binary to? How you are converting the binary to hexadecimal? Yes, okay. We converted octal. Now see the how we are converting that into hexadecimal value. Okay, next binary to hexadecimal value. Same like this only we are converting. binary to hexadecimal. Okay, so your binary means here we have the 2 and hexa means here we have the 16. But in the hexadecimal, what we have 12, 13 like this. Okay, 12, 13 like this we have. Let's see here. Just take a binary value and you can convert that into 16, right? So how you're performing this one, how we need to be perform this one, right? So let's see the steps to perform the our binary to hexadecimal. Step 1. Okay, what we have is step 1 here. Divide the binary digits into groups of 4. In the previous we divided into 3. Now we have to be divided into 4. Okay, so divide the binary digits into groups of 4. Into groups of 4 digits. Into groups of 4 digits you have to be take. In the previous we did like 3 digits. Now you have to be do 4 digit format. Now you have to be do 4 digit format. Okay, yes. After the completion of the step 1, you have to be go with the step 2. Okay, in this step 2, how we can convert? In this step 2, how we can convert? Right? See. Convert each group. Okay, whatever we have the groups, you have to be convert that into 4 binary digits to 1 hexadecimal digit. Okay, yes, we have the 4 digits, 4 binary digits. You can convert this into 1 hexadecimal digit. 1 hexadecimal digit. Okay, so you have to be remember this. You have to be remember one thing. Hexadecimal only having 0 to 9 numbers, that is only equal to the our decimal values only. After that it is having the A to F values. Okay, and your decimal values is we are taking 10 to 15. For that here we are placing the A to F. Don't forget this. Okay, just see this, whatever you got after 9. Okay, so you have to place those into our values. Let's see. Okay, so here I'm taking the one example. One example will be like this. Your 11010011 base 2. 1101. Okay, 11010011 base 2 equals to how much of base 16. Okay, so this is the our question. Now this is the our question. Okay, now we can convert, we need to be convert this one into our hexadecimal point. Okay, let's see how you're converting this. So we need to be divide this one into 4 parts. In this step 1 we have, right? Okay, so first you have to be follow step 1. We need to be divide this one into 4 parts. 1100. Yes. 1011. Yes. We have successful. Yes. We have the successful. Why? Because here we don't have any other extra number. We left with the correct format. So this is the one value and that is the another value. In the step 2 we divided successful. Step 1. And we have the step 2. Okay, we have the step 2. If you Okay, if you are good at this, here you can directly convert. You can directly convert this one. Okay, so how you're converting your step 2? Okay, how you're converting this step 2? 1 we have. Okay, so here we have the 1. 1 means here 2 power 0 means 1 only. So nothing will be 0. 1 we have actually here. 2 power 2. 2 means here 4. We have 4 plus 1, 5. 5. 2 power 3, 8. 8 plus 5. So 8 plus 5 means here we'll get the 13. Okay, 13 means here you'll get the here 13. 13 means here we'll get the value like D. We'll get the value like D. Okay, so your you can place this one into 16. D16. And we have 0, 0, 1, 1. 1 means your 2 power 2 power 0 means 1. 2 power 1 means your 2 means you will get directly 3 on. Okay, so here we took 110 10011 base 2 is the D3. Okay, D3 16. Okay, we'll get like this. Okay, whatever it may be, just you can convert directly, or else you can place you can take the value to find also. Okay, if there is no problem, you can convert directly. But in the exams, you have to be perform every value. Why? Because you're without the performance here, they will not give any marks, right? So that's what you have to be do everything. Okay, and so this is the one example. And next see the another example to find this. Okay, another example. Second example. I am taking. Okay, second example will be 10 1101011002. Okay, sorry, this is the base 2, and you can convert this into 16. Okay, now again you need to be divide that into, now you need to be divide that into 6 values. Now you need to be divide that into 6 values. Sorry, 4 values. 4. Step 1, 0. Okay, maybe space will be, I don't know. 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1, left with 1 0 1 only, so then place your 0. Left with 1 0 1. Okay, so then place 0. This is the third. Okay, you can convert now this into step 2 format. You can convert this into step 2. 0 0. Okay, first we will see this. Okay, so your 0 1 0 1 we have 2 power 0 1, 2 power 4 5 5 we will get here. Okay, 5 base 16 we'll get here 5. Okay, and 1 0 1 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 1 means your 2, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 means here we have A. So for this year we'll get A, and your it is also A, and we'll get your 12. 12 means your C. Okay, 12 means your C. 16. So means our answer is the 101101011000. Base 2 value is the 5A2. Sorry, 12 means your C, right? 5AC base 16. 5AC base 16. Okay, right. Now you can convert hexadecimal to binary value. Reverse. Hexadecimal to binary. We are reversing this one. Okay, we are reversing this one. See how you're performing this. We have two steps to perform this. Step 1, convert decimal equivalent values to hexadecimal 4-digit values. Okay, so here we have the hexadecimal values actually. Okay, so you can convert that into 4 digits of binary values. 4 digits of binary digits. 4 digits of binary values. And after that, you have to be follow the step 2. After that, you have to be follow the step 2. So in this step 2, whatever you got your 4 digits format, you have to be combine all those digits. Okay, combine all resulting binary groups. Okay, combine all resulting binary groups. Okay, whatever you did here, you have to be combine that one. Okay, let's see the one example for this. I'm taking 2ab base 16. You can convert this into base 2. You can convert this into base 2. Let's see how you're converting. Step 1. Okay, 2. 2 means here how much you will get. 2 means here how much you will get in the binary format. 0010 base 2. 0010 base 2. And we have the A. A means here 10. Okay, 1 already we have. A means here 1010. 1010 base 2. And next here we have the B. Okay, next here we have the B. 1011 base 2. 1011 base 2. Okay, so 2AB. You can combine these all 4 digits. Okay, so in this step 2, you can combine this. 0010101011 base 2. This is the value for that. This is the value for that. Okay, so if you need, you can see the performances for that. So means here whatever we have the decimal value that can be taking hexadecimal values, binary values, how we have octal values, what we have. Okay, you can see anything. So hexadecimal to binary we are converting. Okay, or else here you can take another example will be like this. In this simple manner you can place 2B9D I'm taking. Okay, so this you can convert into our binary format. 2B. So here I'm taking 2B9D. 2 means already we have 2 means here 0010. B means already we have 0111. 9 means here we'll get 1001. D means here 1101. Okay, in this step 2 directly also you can perform, but in the exams don't do the direct performances. You have to be process everything. Okay, so 0010111101 base 2. 11001 base 2. This is the value. Okay, so here for this class here we completed the our numbering systems, means here our conversion types. Okay, we converted like our performances binary to so decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. Okay, and binary to decimal, octal to decimal, hexadecimal to decimal, and we converted again your octal to binary, binary to octal, octal to hexadecimal, binary to or hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary. So like this here we converted these all the our numbering systems. Okay, so right, in the next class we will discuss the our next topic. Okay, so here we completed our numbering systems, right? Thank you.